Hi guys, welcome to Poppy Show, and today my wife and I will be doing the powder challenge. But we're gonna do ours a little different. We're not gonna be doing all that smacking stuff. That's for haters, not lovers, okay? So ours is we're gonna ask each other 6 questions about each other, see how well we know each other, and
How many questions you got? Because I got 7.
Okay, 7 questions. So we're gonna ask each other 7 questions to see how well we know each other. Instead of smacking each other, we're gonna just throw the powder in each other's face. But the catch is, whoever loses, our son will soak that person with water.
And bear in mind, it is still cold. I have an idea I'm going to be the loser.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay. All right. I guess we'll see about that.
Okay, so let's start.
So how are we going to decide who's going to go first? I'll go first. So, ready? Name all my siblings.
All your siblings.
Name all my siblings.
Okay, we have Tashai, Tamika, Tajay, Victor, Georgia. We have Tammy and
Please. And I'm a left-hander too.
Teresa?
No. Come again. Should I give him a second chance? No, I'm not gonna give him a second chance because I need to win this challenge. So it is Tasha.
I said Tasha.
No, you did not. You said Tashai. That's Tashai. Tashai is different from Tasha.
Okay.
Or you could have said Diane. Tasha and Diane the same person.
Okay.
So there goes my first powder challenge. Oh, you look so cute, babes.
Okay.
I got him good.
All right, that's cool. That's cool.
Oh God.
My first
Make sure
question.
no question you give me no.
Oh, you never give no conditions
Because we
for
know
your
you're
question.
staying
No.
up.
I never give no conditions for your question.
All right.
What's my favorite food?
That's easy. I can make it all the time for you. And if you ever say it's not that, we're gonna have a problem. Stoopies.
No. Spaghetti and meatballs.
No, it's not.
Honey, spaghetti and meatballs.
Guys, listen. My husband has never ever called me and said, babes, can you make spaghetti and meatballs? He always asks me, babes, can you make me some stew peas?
Honey, you
Really,
get it wrong.
honey?
It's your time. to
No,
eat.
that's not cool because I live with you for how long? I know that's not your favorite.
Ready?
No! Oh my God.
Okay. Next question.
Phew. Okay. All right. It's all good. It's on, okay? What year did I migrate to the US? You should know this. Counting 5, 4, 3, 2.
2003.
2000, you big head.
That's serious?
Can you see? I'm loving this. So, hold on, because I need a pen. So, how we go?
My next question. That's your second question.
That's my second question. You got the first one wrong.
You just read
And the
it
second
and
one
say
wrong.
which one.
Okay, so that's 2 guys. 2-1. All right.
What's my father's first name?
Enrico.
Did you know that?
That's my father-in-law. What are you talking about?
We never called him that.
Really?
Okay.
Enrico Powell. Ooh, okay. All right. My next question, babes. What's my biggest pet peeve?
My alarm going off in the morning?
That too, but no.
That's the
It's-
biggest one.
No,
You get so
you've
mad.
always you've known me long enough, and you know that I hate waiting on people. that
What?
are late. You know that.
Waiting on people.
I'm a timely person, and if everyone knows me, they'll know this is true. I'm always a timely person and I don't like waiting on people. So
Man, I'm losing, boy. Waiting. Oh man.
IJ, get your water ready, boy. All
I
right.
guess my questions are too easy.
Okay, your question.
All right, number 3. What's the name of my primary school?
The name of Ian's primary school is, oh crap, it just came to mind. Hold on. St. Jude's Primary, and I believe that's located off
All right, okay. Nobody gonna know that.
Hagler Park Road. Is it Hagler Park Road then?
No.
Anyways, St. Jude's. Anyways, my next question. I love you, babes.
Number 4.
So, what's my biggest phobia? You should know this, babes.
Your biggest phobia? Man.
You know, what's one of the things that I fear the most?
Someone surprising you. Yeah, someone shocking you, like.
No. Cruise! You've been trying to get me on a cruise for as long as we've been together, and I keep telling you, I just can't do all that water.
So she
stuff.
said no hard questions, right? And I'm trying to make this thing.
But this is not
and
hard,
all her
though.
questions are like some weird questions.
But
Like
babe,
a real.
this is not hard though. This
Cruise.
is like every
Honey, you don't
single
even like
year-
people shocking you,
Babe.
surprising you and stuff.
Yeah, but every single year we talk about this, and I keep telling you no. Ha! You okay, babes?
No.
I still love you.
I'm sure. Okay, my question.
Okay.
In what year did I go to England?
You went to England, so we're proud of All right, so you probably graduated from high school in 96. So you went to England 1990. No.
One chance.
No. I'm trying to rationalize something here. Hold on. So you went to England 2002.
2000.
Oh, I should have known that.
Yeah,
'Cause
yeah,
we
yeah.
both made a transition. I came to the US, you went to England. I should have known that, man.
Whatever. So
Babes.
that's what? Four
Okay.
questions. Number 5.
It's my turn.
You're leading
I'm leading.
3
babes.
to 2.
I'm leading. Okay. All right. How many children have I always wanted?
5.
Me? Babes. 5? With who? The devil is a lie. Me?
How many?
3. I've always wanted to have 3 children.
But you have 3 though. You make it sound like it.
You look so beautiful. Ooh, loving this. Okay, babes. Your turn.
Man, this is a setup. You told me no hard questions, all
But
these
that's not
weird ass
hard,
questions.
babes. That's not hard.
What
though.
was my favorite subject in school?
How the hell am I supposed to know what?
Okay.
Where was I when you was going to high school? But anyways, your favorite subject in high school was I know it. Your favorite subject in high school wasn't math. You're good at math, but I don't think that was your favorite. Okay, so your favorite subject was math.
I thought you said I wasn't good at math.
I don't know. Is it?
Yeah.
Winnings.
Okay.
Team Toya. All right, save your powder because I don't think you're gonna use it no more. All right. So, as a child growing up, what did I want to become? I've told you this before, babes. You know this one. You know this one.
Oh, an actress. You said you wanted to be an actress.
Well, I told you that I've always wanted to be a flight attendant when I was little, and my aunt discouraged me.
Oh.
Remember? See? Ready?
Not really.
Close your eyes, because I really don't want to get it. You look beautiful. I am loving this. Are you okay, babes?
I'm fine.
You sure? Okay. All right. Your turn.
What year did I started working at American?
Okay, so if you went to England 2000, you probably did 2 years, came back 2002. I met you.
Do they not need to know?
So you started American Airlines 2000 and 2006. Am I right?
Just close your eyes.
What is it?
2007.
Well, I'm close.
Well, close to powder.
I'm still winning though, so whatever.
Okay, last question.
Last question. What's my least favorite body part? And you know this. My least favorite body part. You better get it.
Your tummy?
My toes. You know I have short ginger toes.
Your toes?
I always complain to you
My-
about my toes. I mean, I hate my tummy too, but you know I've always complained about my toes.
What's my favorite perfume?
I think I just bought that for you in Christmas. What is it called? I think I bought you two, as a matter of fact, of the same Fahrenheit. Did I get? I did get the water ready. Get the water ready. I did get the water ready. We're gonna have to go outside for this one, guys, because I'm gonna spray him too. Like, I need to do this. Like, I cannot believe I won this challenge. Like, oh my God.
She set me up. She said no hard questions, and I tried to make them as easy as possible. And she came with some questions. I don't even know none of these stuff.
Babes.
Your toes.
I've always complained to you about my toes, though.
No.
Oh my God, have I not always complained to you about my toes? And I've told you about the flight
Set up.
attendant.
Set
No,
up.
guys, it's not. I swear I would not set him up. As a matter of fact, I was kind of preparing myself to be sprayed because I just knew I was gonna lose this
Now
challenge.
I'm over here sitting like a snowman.
I still love you, and I'll still kiss you.
Guys, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing a lot more fun stuff. Give it a thumbs up and look out for more stuff on Poppy Show, okay? Make sure you subscribe. It's gonna be fun.